Dictation of Multani official passage number 13 start. I am directed to invite your attention to Chief Secretary's letter dated the 1st November 1963, which had gone a long way to make it clear that it was of absolute importance that the activities of various departments should be duly publicized, full stop. Without timely and proper publicity of all government activity, it was not possible to strengthen public confidence in government in a democratic setup, full stop. There is no doubt that all departments are making substantial contributions to the building up of the state, and there is no reason why the nature and matter of their contribution should not be available for the public to know, full stop. But it has been noticed that the material required by the information department for projecting the activities of various departments, a matter directly in the interest of the said departments, has not been made available to them in spite of repeated instances on the necessity of their immediately furnishing it, full stop. The departments have not only delayed the information often, but if they have not delayed, provided it incomplete and piecemeal, full stop, new para. It has already been stressed that the purpose of publicity is defeated with the lapse of time, and people lose interest in matters which are not of topical interest, full stop. This fact is as true about daily press news stories as about government publications and films, full stop. The publication pertaining to a subject which has been almost forgotten will not be paid any attention and would cause considerable embarrassment to government, full stop, new para. The governor of West Pakistan has taken a very serious view of this attitude and has desired that information required for purposes of publicity should be promptly provided to the information department as and when required, full stop. In fact, the departments themselves should suggest whether they would like any particular program or project of their to be put forth in any particular form, full stop. This, as already stressed earlier, will enable the departments to review their activities periodically and find out if there has been any substantial achievement which the public would be interested in and which would win their confidence, full stop. Recently, as also earlier, certain departments have taken so long a time in furnishing some information required from them that the project undertaken by the information department had to be given up, full stop. This was obviously to the detriment of the departments themselves, full stop, new para. I am therefore, directed to bring to your notice the orders of the governor that in every case timely information should be made available to the information department whenever required by them for purposes of publicizing government activities, full stop and close.